In this video, you are going to see how to insert a pie chart in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. To insert a pie chart, go to Insert, go to Chart, go to Pie, and you can choose this 2D pie or you can choose this 3D pie. I am going to choose the 3D pie chart. Click on over here and click on OK. Now I have to change the data from the first quarter, second quarter. Let us write here apple, mango, banana and nut. Now I can change the sales value. Let me write here 15, 25, 13, or let us write here 45. Now here you will see the value of the table has been changed. Now close it. Now click on the table. From the chart design, choose your desired chart style. Let me select this one. Now if you want to change the font style, select it, go to home, change the font to Times New Roman. Now if you want to add more option over here, just click on over here, click on the data labels and click on over here data callout, and this is looking perfect. If you want to add the legend, you can add the legend like this. Click on over here, and if you want to put it in the bottom, you can put it like this. If you want to give outline border, go to format, go to shape outline and apply a outline color. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.